friends, and welcome back to Miss Watkins' World, where every day is filled with fun and learning. Today, I'm super excited because we're back with another math lesson. So today, our math lesson is about equal shares. Now, we're going to learn what equal shares means. We're also going to try to look at some pictures and figure out if the parts are equal or not. All right, get ready to learn. So the first thing we need to review when we're learning about equal shares is, what does equal mean? Does anybody remember? Does anyone remember what equal means? Equal means the same. That's all equal means. When you see an equal sign in an addition or subtraction equation, just remember that equal just means the same. It means that both equations, both sides of the equations are equal. They're the same. So that definition is the same when we're talking about equal shares. Equal shares just means if I divide or if I split something into parts, is each part the same? Is it equal? So just like we learned about what equal means, let's talk about what unequal means. So if I split something in half, straight down the middle, then I might say that both sides of this item are equal. They're the same. But if this side has more, this side has less, then they are not equal or unequal. Can you say unequal? Very good. Unequal just means not the same.
Equal means the same.
Unequal means not the same.
Also, think about it like this. If some friends are sharing a snack and we made sure that both friends had the same amount, that would be fair because both friends would have an equal amount. But if one friend got most of the snack and the other friend only got a little piece, that would be unequal. It would not be fair. And that's what we're doing today. And because I love teaching about equal shares, and I also love a certain kind of food, I thought it would be fun to start this lesson off by using one of my favorite foods, pizza. Pizza daddy. One more time now, pizza daddy. We are going to look at a pizza and see both sides are equal or if they are not equal. Ready? Okay, let's get started. Now, here is my yummy pizza. But I have to share my pizza with 3 other friends. That means 4 people are going to eat this pizza. I need to know, if I slice and dice this pizza like this, does this show equal shares? Does everyone get the same amount? This does not show equal shares. I cut this pizza like this. Some of my friends will be upset because someone would get a humongous piece and everyone else would get smaller pieces. So this is not equal. Now let's see what equal shares would look like if 4 friends had to share this pizza. This is an equal share. This pizza is cut into 4 equal parts. Sometimes when you see this, you might hear someone say that pizza is cut into fourths. This shows fourths because it is 4 pieces of the whole pizza, first, second, third, fourth. Fourths. This pizza shows fourths. Let's try something else. I also like to eat burgers. Raise your hand if you like burgers. Cheese me, please. Don't forget to put some cheese on my burger. All right, so I only have to share this burger with one other person. That means I need to cut it in half. Does this show equal parts? Would each person get the same amount? Right, this does show equal parts. Looks like it's been cut straight down the middle. That means the parts are equal. They're both the same. Let's look at this hot dog. Okay, now I know that hot dog isn't tons and tons and tons of food, but I have one hot dog and there are 3 friends who need to share this hot dog. Let's see. If the hot dog is cut like this, does that show equal parts? Right, that does not show equal parts. One person gets most of the hot dog, and it looks like the other 2 people would only get a small bite. So that does not show equal parts. Those parts are
unequal.
Cut it again. What about now? Does this show equal parts? Very good. This hot dog is cut into equal shares because all 3 pieces are about the same size. We would say that this hot dog is cut into thirds because it's cut into 3 pieces. First, second, third. 3 pieces. This hot dog is cut into thirds. Let's try another one. How about a healthy snack this time? This is a granola bar. I have to split this granola bar between 5 people. I know that you're probably saying,
Miss Watkins, that's crazy. Granola bars aren't big enough for that.
well, they kind of are. If you really love your friends and you want to be kind and share, then that just means everyone just gets a small bite. So, let's see. Is this granola bar cut into equal shares? Yes, it is. There are 5 equal shares in this granola bar. So everyone would get the same amount. When we see this, we'll say that this granola bar is cut into fifths. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Fifths, because this granola bar is cut into 5 pieces. Now, in math, I've been using food to try to explain equal shares and unequal shares. But sometimes when you're doing your work and in math, they'll just use shapes. Won't use food all the time. So let's look at 3 different shapes and let's tell if these shapes are cut into equal shares or unequal shares. All right, here's the first one. Oh, it's a rectangle. Okay. Looks like this rectangle is cut into 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, fourths. I remember. Miss Watkins said if it's cut into 4 pieces, it's called fourths. Okay, this rectangle is cut into fourths. Are those parts equal? Remember, is each part the same? Yes, this is a rectangle that shows equal shares. Good job. Let's try the next one. Now we have a square. All right, looks like this square is cut into 2 parts. That means they tried to cut it in half. Well, they were supposed to cut it in half if it shows equal shares. Does this show equal shares? Are both parts the same? No, they're not. Those parts are unequal. That's unequal shares. Try it again, Buster. Here we go. This shows equal parts of this square. This square is cut into 2 equal parts. It could be cut like this or this, and it still shows an equal part. Let's try our last one. Last shape is a triangle. Is this triangle cut into equal shares? No, doesn't look like it to me.
Bruh.
Whoop. What about now? Yes, this triangle shows equal shares. All right, that's all I have for you today. You have worked so hard today, and I'm so proud of you. Kiss your brain. I'm brilliant. Yes, you are. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe. If you're a teacher watching this video, don't forget to check the description box for the link to a free seesaw activity that accompanies this lesson called Equal Shares. See you later.